I like to tell you about myself. My name is Reja Bahlepi. The presentation 13. Next slide, vocabulary. Posat berpose, able mampu, effort usaha, cheat dikutif, slightly sedikit, failures kegagalan, maneuvering manuver, effort usaha, achieving pencapaian, glider slig sedikit. Next slide, main idea. Paragraph 1, Rick brother able to skate. Paragraph 2, both were clear pilot. Paragraph 3, the Rick brother heard net. Paragraph 4, the Rick brother may not have succeeded. Okay, next, paragraph 1. This question has often been posed why the Rick brother able to skate in air effort out with so many other hit failed. Many explain have been mentioned, but three reasons are most often phrase. The way team both were working jointly and correctly ratified and serve as constant source of inspiration and encouragement to each other quite safely together at better to one. Okay, next slide 2. But Wrigley Fleet, unlike some other ignore or experiment with the theories of flick or flee and rig expressing the practical aspect of argument by building and fleeing in kit and grill. At craft the weight was slick sufficient to the less as the corvette now to the headgun from fresh fire. Next slide 3. In addition, the Wright brother had designed more everything when for the airplane to had be freshened and red, pushing a winter the stand more to 200 different wing design recording the effect of slight variation in shape on the freshen of air on the wing. The date from the airplane allowed the Wright brother to construct and spread wind for the aircraft. Next slide 4. In spite of the abstract hover, the Wright brother may not have can had three not be found at frequency. The overwritten moment is history attempted to experiment flag in the early 19th category were dominated because the stem engineer the further the aircraft were to have in property to do forward that day further. But by the end of the 19th country when the brother were splitting with engineering option, laterally feeling internal combustion wing and they were able to bring the return of weight to forward with effectively limit for flight. Next slide conclusion. Paragraph 1. First the word time. Both men walked in connectly and completely read this make book locker and slide 14 talking exactly about the possibility of man flag and serve as constant source of inspiration, the encouragement to each other. Paragraph 2. By the time the brothers tried to be an expert, the word idea among the word the split front. Paragraph 3. The death from this experience allowed the Wright brother to construct a spring wind for like aircraft. Paragraph 4. But by the end of the 19th where two brothers were experimenting with engine of the relatively internal combustion engine had early been invented and they were able to bring the return of weight to forward with actually limiting for flight.